guys, my name's John and I joined Warrior Beach Bootcamp 4 months ago, and let me tell you guys, what a rush, what an experience. We do absolutely everything. We start in the mornings, we run through, we do circuit training, we use all sorts of equipment. There's dumbbells, we use speed ladders, we use hurdles, we use wakeboard. Team effort all the way across. You've got heaps of equipment, you've got heaps of fun, different exercises every time, and it's crushing, it's doing core workouts, it's doing everything. I was 93.5 kilos when I joined. I'm down now to 84. Loving life, feeling a hell of a lot better. Let everything that Warrior Bootcamp does for me, what did for me, let it do for you. And let me tell you guys, the best experience. Blood, sweat, tears, all that, everything poured into one thing. Every session is different, every session brings something new, bit of wrestling, bit of boxing. Let me tell you guys, it's an awesome, awesome time. Come down, Maroubra Beach, you'll never regret it. You are going to feel 100% better. If you're not doing it now, do it for yourself, do it for your body, do it for your well-being, because you're never going to regret it. Yeah!